Yeah.
Wow. Is there anything else in there?
That's what?
Oh, it sounds like there's something else.
Charlie, get your stocking. There's something else in it.
I think. Bless you. Easy, boy.
What?
What's that?
More candy.
More candies? Yay!
What's this?
That's a finger puppet.
What's this for?
That is a telescope.
A telescope? Hey! Hey, wait a minute. What's this?
Who brought you all this stuff?
More candy canes.
Yeah. Santa must know you like those.
I love to eat them.
Yeah.
Daddy,
Whoop.
do you know what he
Oh, thank you.
And look, there's a present he left you in the stocking. This big one.